Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vader 9051 in League of Legends. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in add or remove programs. Once it opens, you wanna click here, search apps, type in Ride. Find Ride Vanguard, click on three dots, click on install, click on uninstall again, click yes, and let it uninstall from the list. And after it's gone from the list, you want to exit out of this, relaunch Riot Client. After the Riot Client opens, you want to click on League of Legends, click update, and it will install Vanguard. Click yes. After it's done installing, it will say your game requires a system restart. Don't restart it just yet. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this, services.msc. Open it, click somewhere here. Once it opens, press the V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Double click on it. You want to switch the startup type from manual to automatic. Click apply, click OK. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in system configuration. Once it opens, you want to go to services tab, click hide all Microsoft services. Scroll all the way down till you find VGC. You want to untick it, take it back again. Click apply, click OK, and it will ask you to restart your PC one more time. And after you restart your PC one more time, your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vader 9051 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.